This challenge is called Serpentine. It's a medium level challenge from the general skills category in the beginner picoMini 2022 event. And the description says, find the flag in the Python script. Okay, and we've got a link to download the Python script here. So first of all, we're going to copy the link because we're going to download the file. So we're going to right click and we're going to select copy link address. And over at our web shell, we're going to create a directory for this challenge. It's going to be make dir mkdir serpentine serpentine, and then we're going to enter the directory, and then we're going to download the file by using wget. So it's wget space, and then we're going to paste in the link that we previously copied. It's going to be right click and then select paste, and then hit enter. And that's going to download the file. So we see that the file is in our directory, serpentine.py. And we can run the file to see what's going on. Okay, we've got this lovely snake. And then we've got three options. There's the letter A, which prints encouragement, the letter B, which prints the flag, and the letter C, which quits. So if we select A, then we get some encouragement, keep it up. If we select B to print the flag, it says, oops, I must have misplaced the print flag function. Check my source code. Okay, so from here we can use C to quit. All right, so what we need to do is check the source code. So we're just going to use nano, and it's going to be serpentine.py. So now we're in the code for this particular script. What we need to do is we need to note that there's a function called print flag over here. And what we need to do is we need to find some way to run this function over here. Okay, so also we've got the function for print encouragement, and it prints out one of these statements right here. But what we have in the main function over here, we've got our options that are being printed out, and then some if statements. So if the choice is A, it's going to run this function right here, print encouragement. Or if the choice is B, it's going to print, oops, I must have misplaced the print flag function, check my source code. And if the choice is C, then it's going to exit the program. So what we need to do is we need to change the choice for B to print the flag instead. So it's going to be over here under B, this print statement right here. We're going to delete everything. And then here, we're going to insert the print flag function. So up here, the name of the function is print_flag, okay? So down here, under B, print_flag, and then we have to supply the pair of parentheses. Okay, so this is done. All we need to do now is save out. It's going to be Control X, save modified buffer, press Y, and then press Enter. Okay, and now we can run Python serpentine.py one more time. And then we select B for print flag. And then we get the flag over here. All right, so all we need to do is copy the flag. We can right click and select copy just to make sure. And then back at the challenge, in the flag submission field, paste in the flag and then click on submit flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.